If you want to start your day on the right foot and get going and be productive throughout the day, then you need to have a proper morning routine in place so that you can actually kickstart your day for success. And if you're like the majority of people, they don't know what to do and how to structure a morning routine properly so that they can actually get their day started on the right foot. So that's why I have actually asked AI, artificial intelligence, to create a completely free morning routine for you. And I'm about to share the results with you. But I do think that it can give you some structure to your day. And that's what most people are looking for. They're just looking for that little bit of structure in their day so that they can get their day started and start doing productive tasks to get the ball rolling. So depending on what time you usually wake up, what time you need to wake up for work, for school, whatever you do during a day. But I'm going to assume that this is going to be on a day that you have nothing on. So you get up, you don't really know what to do, you kind of just sit in bed, scroll on your phone. If that sounds like you, then I would recommend that you actually follow this routine so that you can actually implement some structure into your day. So the wake up time is going to be at 6:30 a.m. where you're just going to get out of bed straight away, get some sunlight into you if the sun's up at that time. Don't put your phone near you when you go to sleep. That is a major important point that I want to point out. Do not sleep with your phone next to you, but actually put it in another room so that you have to get up and actually go and get it if you're to use it. But I do not want you to use it yet. I want you to just get up 6:30 a.m., do some light stretching or get some sunlight into you, get a glass of water, something like that, something really small just to get you up and awake. And then the next task at 6:35 is going to be drinking a glass of water if you haven't already, just to rehydrate you, because after all of your sleeping hours, your body is going to be really dehydrated and you need to replenish those fluids in your body so that it can function to its maximum productivity levels. At 6:40 a.m., AI recommends for you to get some short mindfulness or meditation in. And this is going to help you stay calm, focused, and in the present moment throughout the day. It only has to be for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you need some app, or if you want to do a guided meditation session, I'll pop some apps on the screen right now. But you could probably just search up on YouTube or Google or something, guided meditation, and you'll probably get hundreds of thousands of results, and just click one of them, pick one you like, and do that for 5 to 10 minutes. It's also going to help you get into the right mindset for you to start the day. So if you start the day and you wake up on social media, you're comparing yourself instantly to all of these influencers and people that living these dream lives that are really fake. But you're comparing yourself and living your life, which is compared to average, just so much of a gap that it creates this bad and negative sense of reality. Whereas if you actually get your mindset right and start with some meditation, get up straight away, don't look at your phone, you're actually going to put yourself in the right mindset for success. The next thing AI says to do at 6:50 a.m. is to get a quick little bit of exercise in. Now this can range from anything from stretching to yoga to a quick core workout, a quick full body workout, some cardio, whatever you want to do for that 10 minutes to actually just get your body moving, get those muscles stretching, get them moving and get the blood flowing so that you can get your body ready for the day. And by getting that blood flowing, you're going to release the endorphins, which make you feel happy and help energize you to complete more tasks throughout the day. Now at 7 a.m., it's time to have a shower and get fresh and clean for the coming tasks. If you are going to work, get dressed in whatever you want to go to work in, whatever you need to go to work in. If you're going to school, obviously wear your school uniform. But if you are just having a casual day and you don't have anything on, I want you to get dressed in something that makes you feel confident and of value. Don't just sleep in your pajamas and carry on the rest of the day in your pajamas, because you're going to end up getting nothing done, because it puts you in that mindset of hardwiring your brain that, oh, I'm in my pajamas, I need to sleep, I'm tired. It doesn't wire your brain to be productive. If you want to be productive, get dressed in some smart casual clothes. Now that we have got our shower out of the way, the next thing AI wants you to do at 7:20 a.m. is eat a healthy breakfast. And it states here that the best breakfast for you is a combination of protein, fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel the body and maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. Now, If you're like most people, you may not understand what that means, which is completely fine. I'm going to give you a couple of examples that you can actually use so that you can put it into practice and actually eat it. Number one is going to be protein, oats, and fruit. This is a really, really easy meal to make and quick. It's tasty, all of the above. All you're gonna need, I'll list the ingredients that you need on the screen and how much you need of them. You pretty much just need to cook the oats, add in your protein sources and top it off with a bit of fruit. And that's pretty much it. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make and you're good to go. Number two is to eat some eggs on avocado toast with some ham or bacon. This is really good because the toast is a complex carbohydrate. The avocado is going to give you healthy fats as well as the egg yolk, and then the egg whites and the bacon or the ham is your protein sources. Now that we have eaten our healthy breakfast, AI now wants us to, at 7:45 a.m, start prioritizing a few tasks that we need to get done in the day. So spend some time planning and prioritizing a few tasks that you want to get done and that you need to get done. Things like on your to-do list and setting goals for the day are really going to help you give direction and focus directly on what you need to achieve. If you do not have a to-do list or tasks written down that you want to do or you need to do, you're going to be all over the place, scrolling on social media here, watching Netflix there, binge eating food here. You're not going to have a clear direction of what you want to do, and therefore you're going to start procrastinating around doing what you need to get done. Now comes the time of 8 a.m, which is time to answer any emails, any messages that you have from the previous night. This is so that you can communicate and stay on top of those urgent matters if you need to. All right, so at 8:15, AI wants you to get into your most hardest and challenging task possible for the day. This is because at this time during the day, your energy levels are going to be super high because number one, because it's early in the morning, number two, because you have a healthy, energizing breakfast, and number three is because your brain hasn't had to deal with any stresses throughout the day, so it's going to be fresh and ready to tackle that task. Once you complete that first challenging task, the rest of the tasks are going to go downhill from there. It's going to be much easier if you get that hard task out of the way first than if you save it until last. All right, so now we're at 9:30 a.m, coming into a bit of the later part of the morning. AI is wanting you to take a quick stretch, a quick break, and a walk outside if possible so that you can actually reset your mind back onto focus mode. If you need, have a healthy snack, or you can get a quick glass of water so that you can maintain your productivity when you go back to work. Because if you do not do this step, you're going to burn yourself out by doing all of that work in one go. And that's not what you want to do. You want to break it up into little separate pieces so that you can maintain the productivity and the quality of your work throughout the whole day. And then after that little break at 9:45 a.m, you're going to continue ticking off all of those tasks that you prioritized back at 7:45 a.m. Do things like meetings, calls, workouts, meditation, reading, homework, whatever stuff you have to get done in your day. Do that now and start it right now. Don't go off and start procrastinating on your phone or watching TV or something. Get the tasks you need to get done now so that you can reap the rewards later in the day and have some downtime then. And here AI says, by following this routine, you'll start your day with a sense of purpose, clarity, and energy, setting you up for a productive and successful day. Remember to adjust this routine based on your personal preferences and schedule, and to stay consistent to see the best results over time. So if you find that something's not working for you or you want to adjust something because you're not enjoying it, go ahead and do so. By no means is this routine perfect and set in stone. You can adjust it to your liking if you want to adjust the times that you wake up, what you do during each step. Go ahead and do that. It's perfectly fine to adjust it. But what this morning routine aims to do is to give you structure in your morning so that you don't start your day off on the wrong foot and start procrastinating, leading you into a rabbit hole. And just as the AI bot said, staying consistent over time is one of the most important factors. So implement this routine each and every day, even if you need to change it here and there. And missing a day or two every other day isn't that bad if you're doing it 5 days a week. Consistency is key when it comes to this type of thing, and that's what's going to get you the best results. If you want to learn how to build discipline, healthy habits, motivation, and a free workout guide, go ahead and click the first link in the description so I can send you over my completely free mini course completely for free, no charge at all. And you know what else is free? Hitting that red subscribe button down below. I would recommend that as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.